Hello, this is Mike with SkipperBud's in Bay City. Today we have a Barletta 20 QC. It's got the gloss black with the matte black finish. Very sharp boat. And it's got the electric bimini top. This one is powered by a 115 horse Mercury command thrust engine. You have your ski tow bar with the rear entry. You have the rear lounges. Dual captain seats. Lowrance Hook 5 GPS fish finder. You got RGB lighting. This one has two removable cup holders. You have the LED light. If you have any questions, please call Michael at SkipperBud's in Bay City.